everyone. We're Team Code Zero. I'm Tanvi.
I'm Uday.
I'm Daksh.
And I'm Nimra.
And one more member of our team, Arnav, is really sick, has a high fever, so he couldn't come today. Anyways, let's get to the topic. So we made a smart developing village, which has many factors. One of its factors is a garbage segregation factory, which segregates recyclable, non-recyclable, biodegradable, non-biodegradable plastics and metals into its areas.
And the next factor is renewable energy. So first, windmills, which turns wind energy into electricity, which helps power homes. Next is the solar, which turns solar energy into electricity, also used for homes. And there is speed breakers, which with the help of a flywheel mechanism turned mechanical energy into electricity.
And now I'm going to be talking about the hydroponic system we have in this village. So by rainwater, this container here will get filled. And when the container is at a higher level than it's needed, or let's say when it touches these screws, then there's a buzzer over here which starts to buzz. And the motor here will take this to this plant in this also different container. This type of farming is known as hydroponic farming. In this farming, there's a layer of soil, a thin layer, and water. And the roots of the plant are in the soil, and the body is in the water. So when there is excess amount of water inside this also, it will go inside this field. And I'm just going to be talking about the field.
So when there's excess water in this plant, through this pipeline system, the water goes into the field and automatically waters the field. Now, if there's too much water in the field, there's a sensor which measures that there's too much water in the field, and it automatically turns off the pipeline system and also notifies the person. We also have smart streetlights in our village, which basically help conserve energy. So they detect if there's a car nearby or any type of vehicle, and if there is not, then the streetlights automatically turn off. But if there is a vehicle, then the streetlights turn on, which helps to conserve the energy.
So the last factor of our entire smart village would be the dustbins, which take the trash which cannot be given to the garbage factory. These dustbins have plastic eating microorganisms which eat up the plastic and biodegrades the waste into compost.
That was all about our smart village, and we had a PPT presentation here too. It shows our design sketch and our design module that we initially thought about doing. And there's more slides.
These are the materials which we used: Arduinos, LEDs, motors, fans, solar panels, batteries, wires and jumper wires. Construction and model materials were chart paper, plastic boxes, straws, tape, glue and a glue gun, scissors, pencils, decorative and finishing, paint and paper.
So we asked our friends and our family about the project and for feedback so they could help improve our project better, and they gave us many suggestions about how we can improve it or work on things. And then
What was the feedback we got from suggestions was that they told us that we have a good idea and it is a very unique, and if we can pull this off, then we have a really good chance to get selected. We got many suggestions to improve our project, like making a roundabout at the center.
so there's many ways that we can make our project better. Like we can integrate all systems, and like there's many things that we can use and many materials we can use. So that
Thank
was
you.
it for our project. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.